Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Casino. This is my original account, deposited $3,000. Today we will trade in Australian dollar. We will follow proper risk management where the loss is minimal.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I'm Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. She hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't ever wanna be home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling like about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt win. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you win. Easier to break down best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Let me tell you why I placed the sell trade here. In this video, you will get to learn something like this video so that you will get to see new videos. First, take the trend line and apply it on top of it, from which we will clearly see the lower high. Connect all the dots properly so that our trend line appears perfect. Always keep in mind that trade only with proper analysis. If your analysis is showing bad, then leave that trade. Take another trend line and connect it to the lower low. From this, our trend is visible in the channel. Where is the market making lower high and lower low?
I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way to even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right.
Create a supply and demand area with the help of the rectangle tool.
Will never let them tell me who I am.
Create supply and demand areas where the market has reversed multiple times.
Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside.
If we look at the history, even here the market has gone up with support. Now making this support a resistance and trying to go down. The next reverse point could be here, because 3 times the market has gone up by making it a support. If the market breaks this support area, then we will see a big move down, and because it is multiple test strong level, the market is preparing to go down. Our analysis is perfect. Let's see what reward the market gives us. Our target point will be near the lower support level. As soon as the market hits our target point in the same way, I will close all trades manually. Our stop loss will be above the supply-demand area. If market breaks this trend line and supply and demand area, we will look for more trades. Let's see how long our target point is achieved. We have set target point and stop loss until one of the two hits. Till then we will not close our trade. It took us 8 hours 34 minutes to make a profit of $900. The market has respect to our setup. The market is down 45 pips after placing our trade. Very well supported market is falling down. Our target point is far away. I will close more than half of my trades. The market is down. The reverse can happen at any time. Our profit is running at $1,100. If your target point is far away, then you should book half the profit so that the risk can be reduced a little. I am closing half my trade. We have grown the account around 30 to 40%.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super.
I will keep only 5 trades open. Let's see whether we can achieve this target or not. Market is falling fast. The market has fallen by about 50 pips, still more likely to fall.
Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch, and my business is humongous. You would think that happens in there. Oh man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that.
Okay, we are very close to the target. Market is going down to make new lower low. If it breaks this support line, then the market will go down significantly.
Because I like gold. They told me I'm the best, and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man.
Our target has been hit. I am closing the remaining trades. We made about $100 more profit.
Me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. No, do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Deposited $3,000 in this account, which has grown $4,174. The market has dropped 70 pips and is still going down.
I'm going mainstream.
The market is falling down. We all should not be too greedy. Always follow your system. Exit the trade as soon as the stop loss or target point is hit. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation.